Hello everyone, so let's begin the video. Now we see the ingredients as the fenugreek seeds, the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida powder, turmeric powder, salt and chana dal. Okay, and we also have chopped lady's finger, chopped onions, chopped green chilies, we have garlic cloves there, some ginger, dry red chilies, curry leaves and finely chopped coriander leaves. Now in a mortar and pestle, I'm going to add in some ginger, some garlic, and we'll mash this coarsely, not too fine. To that I'm going to add in some fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida powder, dry red chilies, and we are going to mash all this into a coarse paste. We'll use this in the tadka. Now remove this and keep this aside. It adds a good flavor. Okay, and here not lot of powders I use, so you can prepare like this and keep. Now let's start cooking. So in a non-stick pan, I'm going to add in some oil. Once the oil is hot, we'll add in the mustard seeds and they begin to splutter immediately. To that, I'm going to add in a combination of chana dal and asafoetida powder. Now to this we are going to add in this coarsely grinded paste, mixture you can say, yeah, why not. So we'll fry this for 2 minutes till the raw smell of ginger garlic goes. After that I'm adding in the curry leaves and again fry this for 2 minutes. To this I'm adding in chopped green chilies, again fry this for 2 minutes. Next I'm adding in the chopped onions and we'll fry till onions are well cooked. It will take about 7 to 8 minutes. To this I'm going to add in the chopped lady's finger, also called okra. Okay, so remember as you fry the okra, it starts getting sticky, so just keep on stirring so that it doesn't get burnt at the base. And also you need to understand, never add water, so it will not work. So you need to fry it like this itself, add in some oil if you require. So you need to fry this till all the stickiness goes. To that I'm added in some salt and turmeric powder. Mix all of them well together and keep frying it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, stir it occasionally. Now you can see that the okra is well cooked. I'm going to garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and it is ready to be served. You can have it as a side dish with rasam or sambar or even with chapati. So thank you for watching my video and check out this new video of mine, and also go subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends and family, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.